Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Today's episode is a day of recovery. I have been on a huge little mini tour over 5 states over the past 5 days. I got back to McCall, Idaho. I'm pretty whooped. I spent the day editing a little bit and then working on my motorhome. I'll show you a little bit about how I learned to check a solenoid on a PacBrake. I don't know if you like that, but it's pretty interesting to me. Okay, we'll see you at the end. In order to apply 12-volt power to the solenoid, I'm using a battery charger that supplies 12 volts for these little clips. Of course, those are too big, so you can take an old extension cord. I found one that had a bad end. I cut the ends off, and I'm going to turn this into a test wire. I just labeled the black leads with tape so I know which one's negative and which one's positive. And that's it. You can use this to test the solenoid. I removed the PacBrake from the mount, and this is the air cylinder of the PacBrake. This is the actuator that goes in and out. This is an air release valve right here. When too much air goes, it comes out this way. This is the air hose that hooks up to a solenoid right here. This solenoid has some wires come off of it that hook up to this that plugs in. If you put 12 volts to this with air in the system, the actuator right here should engage. If the actuator doesn't engage, more than likely it's the solenoid that's bad. I have my test wires connected. Now I'm just going to add air to the system so it's fully sourced up with air, and then I'll test it.
This is the part I don't love. I gotta run the engine to get the air up.
If the solenoid is working, then this actuator should come out. Let's take a look. So I'm going to apply 12 volts to see what happens. There it goes, the actuator. So it is working, the solenoid is still good. Yeah, I'll do some white. So we're chilling at Bistro 45. This is my chill time I talked about. So finally got some after doing some engine room yoga. There's Chief and Kim.
I don't know who looks more like a bird.
Can you give the birdie biscuit?
Oh, he likes you.
He wants to sit on your lap.
He wants to sit on your lap.
He wants
Oh,
to
Maddie,
be your
can
baby. Oh, look at you.
Yeah, oh, it's so cute. Oh,
There we go.
He's running away from his mom is what he's doing. Let's play keep away.
Hot bird. Hot bird.
Oh, you're gonna tug on my shirt, are you?
Chief, what are you doing? You're being lovey?
You're being a lovely baby. Are you being super
Oh, mommy's got the baby.
I've got the birdie.
He loves kids.
Baby.
Chief loves kids.
Right here is that contract. Is that mine?
That's Kim's.
Mine's in the back pocket.
Daddy, come here. Daddy.
I love her boo.
He's such a star.
It really is.
Take this couple.
Be your ticket to the big times.
Yeah. Say hi, Chief.
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah. Are you being friendly? He's acting for the camera. He's a good bird.
No, this guy's much softer than the Boogles. Yeah, pet him. He's like silk.
Oh, you are much
Way
softer,
different than the
baby.
Boogles.
So sweet.
Now this guy sleeps with us and stuff. He's truly a snuggle bird.
That's very sweet. Okay, I take it back. It's not what that's true.
No.
Not that soft.
Much softer.
Okay.
No, No, he wants you. He wants to sit on your arm.
Like that. There you go.
He's like, okay, I'm just gonna cream here.
Okay.
I'm gonna hang out.
You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Hey. Does he preen you?
He doesn't. My Harlequin does my hair.
Yeah,
I was
most
just like,
my
oh,
hair.
it feels so good. I stick my head in there sometimes. Do my hair.
Hey y'all, that's a wrap for my tour tales. I hope that was educational and informational for y'all, especially for any motorhome people out there. PacBrake is a seriously important thing to have on a motorhome whenever you're going down grades, like 6% grades. Also, Chief, as usual, stole the show, so that's how it goes. So for my tour tales, I'm Eric Stone. Remember, open roads, open minds. See you next time.